Hi, I'm Paige, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gingerbread house ornament. In the description box down below, you can find a link to the free printable and downloadable pattern that has the template and a little bit of brief instructions that go along with the video of this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and click the little bell alert to be notified anytime that I post a video. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. So now that you've seen my gingerbread house, you go make yours, and if you want to show me, you can tag me at Paige in a Blanket on Instagram. You can also use the hashtag PIAB, Paige in a Blanket, gingerbread. And then we'll get to see each other's work and different color combinations and fun ideas. Be sure to click the thumbs up if you like this video, and leave any questions or ideas down in the comment section below. Lastly, go get creative and make something that you love. Psst, by the way, if you want to make this one, then go to this link.